Hello students, in this video I am going to show you how you can perform the study of IC 7474, that is D flip-flop. As already discussed in the data sheet, this particular IC is having two set of flip-flops inside this. Then there are certain pin configurations for both the flip-flops. So main pins are clear, preset, your D input, your clock, and your output Q and Q bar. Your VCC and ground are same as compared to other ICs, and this is basically 14 pin IC. The pins clear and preset are actually active low. So if you want to clear the contents, this pin need to be low, and if you want to preset the output to be 1 or 0 in the beginning, then this should be low. In normal operations, when you are actually changing the value of D, your clear and preset are high. The next pin that is of importance is clock. Because this is a flip-flop, a clock is the essential thing about it. So it is being provided from your function generator, and we are providing a square wave of around 300 to 400 hertz so that the particular function can be performed, of the clock can be performed. So I have selected your flip-flop 1 from this IC, and I have provided all the necessary connections like your power supply, your ground, and I have used this given high input to your clear and preset. Both are high, as I am not using clear and preset functions, so I am only using the D pin, and I am changing this. Though in the first case the D is equal to 1, so corresponding to D is equal to 1, you can clearly see that your output Q is equal to 1. Now I will be considering the second case in which your D is equal to 0. So I am changing this to D is equal to 0. So now I have changed the input to D is equal to 0. So correspondingly you can see Q is equal to 0 and Q is equal to bar. Q bar is equal to 0. So this is a very good illustration for your D flip-flop. In the coming videos, I will showing you how you can use this particular D flip-flop as your counter or maybe some other application. And I hope you enjoy the learning. The function generator is being set at 3 kilohertz, and I am using the square wave here, you can see, and the practical is being performed in this particular fashion. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.